Hi everybody, this is Kate from Makers of Learning. This video is a quick tutorial on how to do the Tangram Math Challenge. You will have already cut out your Tangram pieces, and just double check and make sure that you've cut them as nice and straight as you can. Even a little bit of a difference can make you think that a shape won't work. So be very careful as you're cutting your pieces out. So in this digital version, what you would receive along with this video is some examples of different ways to make the shapes. What you're trying to accomplish is taking the 7 Tangram pieces and deciding whether or not you can make a square using 1 Tangram piece, using 2 Tangram pieces, or 3, and so on. And you're going to do that for all 5 of these different shapes: square, triangle, rectangles, trapezoid, and parallelogram. So for this example, I've decided to use a parallelogram using 3 pieces. Can I make a parallelogram using 3 of my pieces? Well, I know that a parallelogram, here's an example of one, has opposite sides equal and parallel. So I'm thinking that if I could use the 2 triangles and add them to the parallelogram itself, that I could make a shape that has 3 pieces that is a parallelogram, because opposite sides are equal and parallel. And so that one is a yes, and I would mark yes in the box where it says parallelogram 3 pieces. Let's try another one. Let's make a square out of 2 pieces. Well, I actually can do that a couple of different ways, because I have 2 big triangles, right triangles, that if I put them together on their diagonal would make a square. And I could also do that with the 2 smaller triangles. Because they are congruent. They're the same size. Both of these pieces are the same size. So when I flip them together, they would make a square. All sides are equal, 90-degree corners. So there you go. That's just a real quick tutorial on how you're going to use the shapes in the Tangram to fill out your chart and decide whether or not you can make each of these shapes using 1 through 7 of the pieces in the Tangram. Good luck, and thanks for watching.